Hello my friends, I'm Helena Rich and I'm ready to present my new tutorial about single page application, and we will create it with our lovely AngularJS. So what does mean single page applications? For example, we have 3 pages like portfolio, about, and contacts, which we created last time. So, and all these 3 pages, how we usually link with each other, we just put over here about HTML, and here portfolio HTML, and here contact HTML. What happened in the end? All the time when people, users just need to find out what is about, what is portfolio, what is contact, he just go to the server and request one more page. And if you see pages, they are totally the same except the content that we have in a left sidebar. So AngularJS suggested a great opportunity to create a template from things that we not reload, and put in and left only this information like portfolio and images and about page, and load it as one page, and whatever user requested, it does not reload the whole page, not reload the whole site, all these heavy images and more. He just reloaded whatever he needs to get. So for creating that, we will use for sure Angular root.js. You need to add to your web page a script src which contains Angular root.js. And what we use as usual, previous time we use email, but now I just put everything that we created last time in app single page.js file. And I put in the very top ng app my app, and single app.js file looks like we created app Angular module my app, and here we have parentheses empty and app controller, form controller, scope function, and email feedback. So now what we will do next step, and look very carefully in the menu. We will not use any in our menu, in our href, we don't use any HTML file. We just use dash portfolio and dash contact. So it will be like notify our AngularJS what page load. First of all, for working with, why we not started working with Angular, we just created some templates. For this exercise, I created folder which called single page and contains CSS file. It contains HTML folder. It's empty. We will build all templates over here. Images file and JS file. I save my custom JS files. And here you can see about, contact, in portfolio, and load our template. We will be use index.html, but we will create it. You will see how. What is difference between all this contact, about, portfolio? It's only the information which save in articles ID main text. So I just select all the article from open parentheses to close parentheses, Ctrl C, and create new file, Ctrl V, and save this file, save as in HTML. So it was portfolio, I just use it portfolio, HTML, save, and I close portfolio, so it created it, And now we will have contacts. I just select everything that I have between article, open, article close. Somebody comes here. Hello. Create new page and file save as. And I save everything in my HTML folder, so it will be easy, you know, not have any mess about where to put. So it was what contact, contact, and here we have HTML. Save, close contact, and we save the same things we will do with our about page, article, Ctrl+C, new page, Ctrl+V, file, save as, and go to HTML. It was about page here, about. Hypertext, make object, save. So you see, our templates don't say have any headers, anything, just information which we need. I close this cut of my about HTML, but after that we will transform our about HTML page into main template. So we delete article from here, and instead of this article we put here div with ng view over here. Between these divs will be put our articles in the future. When we do everything right and everything will be work, we will put our article will be just inside this div, and view will just mark where we have to put our article. So, and we file save this file save as just index.html. So yes, reload my page, save, and now we're ready to start to work with our AngularJS. So for working with AngularJS, I will put my controller. You know what? We can just Ctrl+C and delete it from here, and I have created new file, and we will put it back when we finished our transformation. So I don't want that you have a lot of things to think about. But first of all, look how looks my how work my index now. It's nothing in left side, nothing. So we have to, because we don't nothing put, now AngularJS file doesn't work yet, roots. So we will start to work. Yeah, you see, this is Scratch. This is our Scratch. Okay, so we go to the app single page JS, our custom JS. And first of all, we created var app Angular module, my app, and we put over here ng root, R-O-U-T-E, root, ng root, and we have a semicolon. So save. Now we start to work with our library Angular root. For editing templates, placing templates in a place where our div and view situated, we need to put configuration file, config, and it have a function which contains, it's very important that you write down this name properly. This is function because this is name is from the library, so it's root provider, So we just put here semicolon, and look very carefully. It's very hard to count these parentheses. Actually, I hate it to do that, but you see, we have 1 open, 2 open, 1 close, 1 open, 1 close, 2 close, and semicolon. Here we will put our code. And root provider. Okay. So what we have to do when somebody click on root provider, root provider is everything which has a slash. So when root provider will be just when it will be like backslash, we have to use a template. But we will use not a regular template, we will just use template URL, template URL. And do you remember which one? I just believe that we put here the link to our card template about HTML. So we can save it, and if we reload the page, you see that we have here now about HTML. If you will click over here, nothing happened. It actually have nothing, yeah. So now we have to determine it, and but about it start to work. So we do the same one with other definitions, but we have to put all names after backslash portfolio, and we will have here portfolio. Save. Let's reload the page. Portfolio. Start working. Yeah. And last is contact. Last is contact. And we have here contact. HTML page, reload. Also because it's one single. So here contact about portfolio, and we need to fix our contact. We will do it in 5 minutes later. But see, it works, and it's only one page. Nothing reloaded. Nothing was asked our server to load. Just working one page application. So and like fixation, we will add. Do you remember that we put here our app controller? I just Control C, put it, delete semicolon, and put our controller here and save, and reload the page because it's only one page, and we reload it, and I open contact. Yeah, it's work contact. Again, what we did last time, it's work. And you see, we created our first one single page application, Angular application. My congratulations to you. We did it. Yes, we did it. Again, remember what we have to do for sure. For sure, as usual, we have to do here ng app in our index file. We have to have ng view div. We have to have a script with Angular root and script with Angular min.js, and we have to have script with our custom script. In our custom script, we have Angular module, name of our application, and it has to have ng root, and we have to figure out config function with root provider, which and we describe each root provider over here. And if you want to add more controllers, so we just put it, delete semicolon, and put it in the list. If you want one more control, we delete this semicolon and edit one more, and semicolon will be put in the end. So my congratulations to you, we did it. Have a good time. Subscribe to my video, we will be working more and more, and we go to more deep in AngularJS. Thank you.